Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm taking you on an exciting journey to discover the top 3 travel and tourism spots in Morocco. Get ready to explore the vibrant culture, stunning landscapes, and rich history of this incredible country. From the bustling souks of Marrakech to the serene blue streets of Chefchaouen and the breathtaking expanse of the Sahara Desert, Morocco offers a tapestry of experiences that will captivate your senses. We'll delve into the heart of each destination, uncovering hidden gems and sharing practical tips to help you make the most of your Moroccan adventure. So, tighten your travel belts, grab your sense of adventure, and let's embark on an unforgettable journey through the magical land of Morocco. Marrakech. Oh, Marrakech. The very name evokes a sense of mystery and adventure, doesn't it? A place where the past and present coexist in a beautiful dance. This is a city that explodes with life, a symphony of sights, sounds, and smells that will stay with you long after you've left its vibrant walls. Every corner you turn reveals a new story, a new experience. Imagine, if you will, stepping into the heart of Marrakech, the Jemaa El Fna, a square that pulsates with energy from dawn till dusk. It's a place where time seems to stand still, yet everything is in constant motion. Snake charmers weave their magic, storytellers captivate their audiences, and the aroma of fragrant tagines fills the air, tempting you to pull up a stool and savor the flavors of Morocco. It's a sensory overload in the best possible way. But Marrakech is more than just its famous square. It's a city of contrasts, where ancient traditions meet modern innovations. Venture into the labyrinthine alleyways of the souks, a shopper's paradise, where you can haggle for everything from colorful spices and intricate carpets to leather goods and traditional Berber jewelry. Each item tells a story of its own. Lose yourself in the sights, sounds, and smells of this bustling marketplace, and don't be afraid to practice your bargaining skills. It's all part of the experience. And speaking of beauty, Marrakech is home to some of the most stunning examples of Islamic architecture in the world. Each structure is a masterpiece. The Bahia Palace, with its intricate tilework and tranquil courtyards, is a testament to the artistry of a bygone era. It's a place where you can almost hear the whispers of history. The Koutoubia Mosque, with its towering minaret, dominates the skyline, a reminder of the city's rich spiritual heritage. It's a beacon for both locals and visitors alike. As the day winds down and the sun begins to set, Marrakech transforms once again. The city takes on a golden hue, and the atmosphere becomes even more enchanting. The Jemaa El Fna comes alive with a kaleidoscope of lights. The air fills with the sound of traditional music, and the energy is palpable. It's a night you'll never forget. Find a rooftop cafe, sip on some mint tea, and soak in the magical atmosphere of Marrakech at night. It's the perfect way to end your day. But Marrakech is more than just a pretty face. It's a city with a soul, a place where every street and building has a story to tell. It's a city steeped in history, a place where ancient traditions blend seamlessly with modern life. Here, the old and the new coexist in perfect harmony. Take the time to wander through the Mellah, the old Jewish quarter, and learn about the city's diverse cultural heritage. It's a journey through time. Visit the Sadian tombs, a hidden gem tucked away in the heart of the city, and marvel at the intricate carvings and peaceful ambience. It's a place of reflection and beauty. And don't forget to experience the warmth and hospitality of the Moroccan people. Their kindness will leave a lasting impression. From the friendly shopkeeper who helps you find the perfect souvenir to the local family who invites you to share a meal, you'll be welcomed with open arms in Marrakech. It's a city that makes you feel at home. So come, lose yourself in the magic of Marrakech. Let its vibrant energy wash over you, its history captivate you, and its beauty take your breath away. Every moment here is a memory in the making. This is a city that will stay with you long after you've said your goodbyes. Marrakech is not just a destination, it's an experience that lingers in your heart. Nestled high in the Rif Mountains, like a secret whispered among the peaks, lies Chefchaouen, the blue pearl of Morocco. This enchanting town is a hidden gem, waiting to be discovered by those who seek beauty and tranquility. Imagine a town bathed in hues of azure and indigo, where every corner seems to be painted with the colors of the sky and sea. The buildings themselves seem to reflect the clear cerulean sky above, creating a harmonious blend of nature and architecture. This is Chefchaouen, a place where time seems to slow down, and a sense of tranquility washes over you like a gentle wave. The peaceful atmosphere is palpable, inviting you to relax and unwind. As you wander through the narrow, winding streets of Chefchaouen's Medina, you'll be captivated by the unique charm of this blue-washed world. Each step reveals a new facet of its beauty. Every corner you turn reveals a new photographic opportunity, a chance to capture the essence of this magical place. A picturesque alleyway adorned with colorful flower pots, adding a splash of vibrant color to the blue backdrop, or a hidden courtyard where locals gather to sip mint tea and share stories. These moments offer a glimpse into the daily life and culture of Chefchaouen. But the blue hues of Chefchaouen are more than just a visual delight. They are a symbol of the town's identity and spirit. They hold a deeper meaning, a reflection of the town's rich history and cultural heritage. Each shade of blue tells a story of the past. Founded in the 15th century as a refuge for Muslims and Jews fleeing the Spanish Inquisition, Chefchaouen's blue walls are said to symbolize peace, heaven, and spirituality. This historical significance adds depth to its beauty. Take your time exploring the Medina, getting lost in its maze-like alleyways and discovering hidden treasures around every bend. Each turn offers a new adventure. Stop by the Kasbah, a 15th century fortress that offers stunning views of the town and the surrounding mountains. The panoramic vistas are truly breathtaking. Visit the Ethnographic Museum to learn about the history and culture of the Rif region. The exhibits provide a deeper understanding of the area's heritage. And don't miss the opportunity to soak in the vibrant atmosphere of Chefchaouen's main square. It's the heart of the town, bustling with life. Here you can relax at a cafe, sip on some freshly squeezed orange juice, and watch the world go by. It's the perfect spot to unwind and people watch. Or if you're feeling adventurous, try your hand at bargaining for some local handicrafts at the nearby souks. The markets are filled with unique items and souvenirs. For those seeking a break from the hustle and bustle of city life, Chefchaouen is the perfect escape. Its serene streets offer a peaceful retreat. Hike to the nearby Ras El Mar waterfall, where you can cool off in the refreshing waters and enjoy the tranquility of nature. It's a refreshing experience. Or venture further afield into the Rif Mountains, exploring picturesque villages and taking in the breathtaking scenery. The natural beauty of the region is awe-inspiring. As the sun begins to set, casting a warm glow over the blue-washed buildings, Chefchaouen takes on an even more magical quality. The town transforms into a dreamlike landscape. Find a rooftop terrace, order a pot of mint tea, and watch as the sky transforms into a canvas of vibrant colors. It's the perfect way to end your day. Chefchaouen is a place that stays with you long after you've left. Its beauty and charm linger in your memory. It's a reminder that beauty can be found in the most unexpected places, and that sometimes the best travel experiences are those that unfold slowly, like the gentle rhythm of life in this blue-washed paradise. Chefchaouen invites you to slow down, breathe deeply, and savor every moment. Prepare to be humbled, my friends, as we journey to the edge of civilization and step into the awe-inspiring expanse of the Sahara Desert. Imagine, if you will, a sea of sand stretching as far as the eye can see, rippling dunes sculpted by the wind into ever-shifting masterpieces. This is the Sahara, a place of stark beauty, profound silence, and a night sky bursting with a million stars. The vastness of this desert is both humbling and awe-inspiring. Our adventure begins in Merzouga, a gateway to the Erg Chebi Dunes, some of the most impressive in Morocco. Here you can trade your comfy shoes for the rhythmic sway of a camel trek, led by Berber guides whose families have traversed these sands for generations. As you ride deeper into the desert, the world you know fades away, replaced by a sense of timeless wonder. The Sahara's vastness engulfs you, making you feel like a tiny speck in an endless ocean of sand. The Sahara is not just sand, you see, it's an ecosystem, a living, breathing testament to nature's resilience. Keep your eyes peeled for desert foxes darting among the dunes, listen for the chirp of a desert lark, and marvel at the tenacious plants that find life in this arid landscape. Each element of this ecosystem plays a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of life here. As the day wears on and the sun dips towards the horizon, prepare yourself for a spectacle that will stay etched in your memory forever. The Sahara sunset is a masterpiece of color and light, painting the dunes in hues of gold, crimson, and violet. Find a high dune, Feel the soft sand beneath your feet, and watch as the sun melts into the horizon, leaving behind a sky ablaze with stars. The transition from day to night in the Sahara is nothing short of magical. But the magic of the Sahara doesn't end with the setting sun. Oh no, my friends, the night sky here is a revelation. Far from the city lights, the stars blaze with an intensity you've never witnessed, a celestial tapestry stretching from horizon to horizon. Spend the night in a Berber camp, share stories around a crackling fire, and let the vastness of the desert sky fill you with a sense of peace and awe. The stories and songs of the Berber people add a rich cultural layer to this experience. Waking up in the Sahara is an experience unlike any other. The silence is almost deafening, broken only by the gentle sigh of the wind. As the first rays of sun peek over the dunes, casting long shadows across the sand, you'll feel a sense of renewal, a connection to something ancient and powerful. The Sahara Desert is more than just a destination. It's a journey into the heart of nature's raw beauty, a chance to disconnect from the modern world and reconnect with something primal within yourself. The solitude and serenity here offer a rare opportunity for introspection. It's a place that will challenge you, inspire you, and leave you forever changed. The Sahara is not just a destination, it's a transformative experience that stays with you long after you've left its sands behind. Hey everyone! I have included some great travel links in the description below. Everything is included from resort and hotel booking to car hire and travel insurance. I hope you find them useful and make some savings on your next trip. Thanks for joining me on this Moroccan adventure. We've only just scratched the surface of what this incredible country has to offer. From the vibrant culture and stunning landscapes to the warm hospitality of its people, Morocco is a destination that will stay with you long after you've returned home. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel inspiration. We're always off on new adventures, and we can't wait to share them with you. See you in the next video.